With B2B Marketing Analytics, you can see the impact of your marketing without needing a data scientist. Out-of-the-box dashboards give you a full view of the data you care about, like what's going on in your marketing lifecycle, a breakdown of pipeline, and campaign performance. You can analyze engagement to know which campaigns are working and which ones need improvement. Get an overview of everything happening in your pipeline and how customers are engaging with top content. With the multi-touch attribution dashboard, you can discover what's most effective at different stages of the funnel. The first touch model shows what finds more leads, and the last touch model shows what closes deals. You can even share these insights in just a few clicks. If you want to dig deeper, you're able to create your own view of the data that matters to you, like looking at your campaigns by lead source to see which ones are most successful. And if you're someone who likes to build things, you can even make custom dashboards with drag and drop tools using any of your data in Salesforce. Then embed them on any page in your CRM, accessible anytime, anywhere, providing your sales teams with what they need to know to close more deals. Visit Trailhead to get started and see how you can maximize your marketing and sales ROI with B2B Marketing Analytics. Blaze your trail with Salesforce.